Y'all hear that? I'm pretty sure it's raining out. Of course. It's raining out. Anyways, you guys should really watch On My Block on Netflix. It's a really good show. 2 seasons. Season 3 is coming out soon. So yeah, I'm watching it right now. Yo, I don't want to fucking go to sleep now. It's fucking... Oh my god. Bro, I don't want to fucking...
So Nick texted me during class and he asked me if I want...
I don't want to sleep today because it's raining and I hate the sound of rain when I'm trying to sleep. It's just annoying. So. Oh my god, bro. Hopefully it stops raining tomorrow. Hold on. Let me check. It's gonna rain all day tomorrow. Bro, dude. Oh my god. I freaking hate the rain. Anyways, have a great day and good night. Don't let the bugs bite, I guess. Alright, good night. Bye.